Hi, second graders. Welcome back to math this week. I have been reading lots of your Google input forms, and where you said that you wanted to learn something new, you've been talking about multiplication, and you're in luck. This week, we're going to talk all about multiplying. So, first thing we need to know is, what is multiplying? Well, multiplying is when you're going to combine equal groups. You're adding together something that is equal in each group. So we're going to do that by looking at some strategies to help us. We're going to look at equal groups, we're going to look at repeated addition, and we're also going to talk about an array. We're going to do that by doing some problem solving. And just like we would in school, we're going to do our 3-read strategy. We're going to think about who our character is and what they're doing. We're going to think about their problems. We're going to think about what numbers they're using, and we're going to think about the question. How do we know that this is multiplication? So let's begin. Molly was making goodie bags for her birthday party. She made 5 goodie bags. In each bag, she put 3 pieces of candy. How many pieces of candy did she use in all? Well, who's her character and what is she doing? Our character here is Molly. And what is she doing? She's making goodie bags. And when you make goodie bags, you want them to be the same, the equal number of toys or candy in each goodie bag, so that each person who comes to your birthday thinks that it's fair. All right, let's read it again, thinking about the numbers. Molly was making goodie bags for her birthday party. She made 5 goodie bags. In each bag, she put 3 pieces of candy. How many pieces of candy did she use in all? What numbers do we have? We have 5 goodie bags with 3 pieces of candy in each bag. And our question is, how many pieces of candy did she use in all? We're going to read it one more time, thinking about the question. Molly was making goodie bags for her birthday party. She made 5 goodie bags. In each bag, she put 3 pieces of candy. How many pieces of candy did she use in all? Our question is, how many pieces of candy did she use in all? And when we're trying to figure out how many pieces of candy she used in all, we are figuring out an addition problem because we're combining it. But here, there's a key word that's going to help us know that it's multiplication. And that word right here is each. Each is a very important word in word problems when you're thinking about multiplication, because we're going to combine equal groups. In each group, there's going to be the same number. So be looking for that word each when you know it's a multiplication. So what we're going to do here is we're going to look at our number sentence. It is going to be multiplication. If there are 5 goodie bags with 3 pieces of candy in each bag, that's where our number sentence is coming from. 5 times 3. Now, we're not ready to know our multiplication facts yet. If you already know them, that's great. If you don't worry about it. We're going to use these strategies right here to figure out our answer. Let's start with equal groups. I like this one a lot because you get to draw a picture and you get to really see what's there. So for equal groups, the first number is the number of groups, or the number of goodie bags. So I'm going to try that. 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in each bag, there's 3 pieces of candy. So I'm going to draw those 3 candies. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. We have the same number in each bag. We're combining equal groups. Each group is equal. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. According to equal groups, there should be 15 pieces of candy used in all. But let's double check using repeated addition. For repeated addition, we're going to take the number right here that's in each group, and we're going to add it 5 times because there's 5 different groups. 3 pieces of candy in the first bag, plus 3 more pieces in the next bag, plus 3 more, plus 3 more. 1 bag, 2 bags, 3 bags, 4 bags, 5 bags. And then you could just skip count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Our next strategy agrees that the number should be 15. But we're not done. We're also going to look at an array. An array is a quick and easy way by using rows and columns. So what we're going to do is we're going to first build our columns. When we build our columns, that's how many groups we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That represents the groups. And now we're going to look at our rows. And each row is going to be the number of candies in each bag. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then again, we're going to count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So when we're looking here, all three strategies, equal groups, repeat addition, and array came up with the same number, which was 15. So it looks like Molly has 15 pieces of candy that she used in all for her goodie bags. Which strategy do you like best? Do you like equal groups drawing a picture? Do you like seeing the repeated addition of skip counting? Or do you like seeing the array? It's up to you to choose.